A Roth IRA is a powerful way to grow money tax-free, but a lot of people make simple mistakes that could cost them thousands over time. These aren't rare mistakes either. They're actually really common. So today, I'm breaking down 3 big Roth IRA mistakes that you'll want to avoid making yourself. I've spent years working in finance, from wealth management to asset management, and I've seen how small decisions around accounts like the Roth IRA can make a huge difference long term. Everyone's situation is different, but I've seen these same mistakes made time and time again. So let's walk through them. One of the easiest and costly mistakes is simply not investing the money you contribute to your Roth IRA. Here's how it happens. You fund the account thinking that the money was automatically invested, but you fail to realize that it's actually sitting in cash or a settlement fund earning very little compared to what invested money could grow to long term. And I'm not just saying this as a hypothetical, it's actually happened to me. There have been times when I contributed money to my account, and for one reason or another, I didn't take the step of actually allocating the funds. So for a period of time, money that I thought was invested was actually just sitting in my account. Fortunately, this was a small portion of my portfolio, but if someone is just starting out and doesn't know, that mistake can be huge because every month your Roth IRA sits uninvested, you're missing out on potential tax-free growth that you can really never get back. So once you contribute, make sure you actually choose the investments you want inside of the account. And side note, there are scenarios where people intentionally will keep cash on the sidelines while waiting for a specific opportunity, but that's not what I'm referring to here. I am referring to those who intend to have their funds invested, but forget to take the step of actually investing them. Now, mistake number 2 is waiting too long to start. And just to be clear, whether a Roth IRA is the right fit depends on your income, your tax situation, and your goals. And it's not automatically the right choice for everyone. But if it does make sense for your situation, starting earlier makes a massive difference. And here's why. Inside a Roth IRA, the gains grow tax-free. So the earlier you start, the longer your money has to compound without taxes getting in the way. And let me give you an example. Someone who starts investing, say $200 a month at age 25 versus age 35 could end up with over $300,000 more by retirement. And that's just from starting 10 years earlier. But that is the power of time. A lot of people delay starting because they think they need more income, a perfect plan, or thousands of dollars up front. But that's not always the case. Even small amounts invested consistently benefit from time. It's kind of like planting a tree. They say the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago, but the second best time is today. And with a Roth IRA, those early years are incredibly valuable. So if it fits your situation, waiting too long could mean missing out on thousands in tax-free growth. Now, the third mistake is picking high-fee funds without realizing it. And I get it. When you open a Roth IRA and see a long list of investments that list strategic or alpha or growth opportunities in the name, it's tempting to pick something that just sounds good. But here's the issue. A lot of these funds come with high expense ratios, sometimes 0.6%, 0.8%, or even over 1%. Meanwhile, many broad index funds and ETFs are around 0.03 to 0.1%. And fees matter way more than people realize. Charles Schwab actually has an example showing that paying just a 1% fee every year can reduce your final portfolio value by 25% or more over the long term. Think about that. You could invest the same amount as someone else, earn the same return, but end up with significantly less money simply because of the fees attached to your fund. And here's a simple way to picture it. It's kind of like buying a gym membership and not realizing you're being charged $50 instead of $10 a month, except this lasts for 40 years. By the time you notice, you've already paid tens of thousands of dollars more than you really needed to. So take a few seconds to check the expense ratio before you invest. It's one of the easiest ways to protect your long-term growth. So if we zoom out for a second, here are the big things to take away. First, don't just fund your Roth IRA. Make sure the money is actually invested. Second, if a Roth IRA fits your situation. Starting earlier gives your money more time to grow tax-free. And third, pay attention to fees. Even a 1% difference can take a huge chunk out of your future returns. Understanding these three things could help you avoid thousands in unnecessary costs over the long run. And if you're thinking, okay, I want to avoid these mistakes, but I don't have a lot to invest, then no worries. Go ahead and click the video on the screen and I'll show you how even small, consistent amounts can grow more than you think. If this video helped, go ahead and like and subscribe as it does support the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.